Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos.
So whether you're drawing a dog or an elephant, the formula is basically the same for any animal that has 4 legs. The only difference is the proportions. The only difference are just the sizes of the shape. So here's an elephant, and here's the dog. And a tiger is exactly the same. It's just bigger. So let's practice again together. And then I'll teach you guys how to draw a fish, which we can draw a shark. So the first is your big shape, which is the body. And then next is your middle shape, which is the head. And then your small shapes, right? Which are the legs. So the only difference between elephants, dogs, and tigers is how long or how big these shapes are. Everything else is exactly the same. This is also the same way you draw a horse.
Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.